Hi there, welcome to your own series IIT Express, one question, one day. This is day 3, question number 3. Let's get started. So, some standard electrode potentials at 298 Kelvin are given to you. So, all of these are electrode potentials, E naught values. Okay. Now look at the data which is given to you. It is talking in terms of x and y. It says there is some solution x2 plus and something y2 plus. The metal rods x and y are inserted and connected by a conducting wire. This resulted in dissolution of x. This is a breakthrough for us. This clearly indicates that x is our anode because it is undergoing dissolution, means x is becoming x2 plus. This is what is dissolution, right? So y indirectly means it is cathode. So basically you know that how you write, okay, left side anode, right side cathode. So everything is sorted. So basically x is combining with y2 plus to give you y and x2 plus, right? So on the right hand side you have x2 plus and on the left hand side the ion present is y2 plus. So let's make use of the Nernst equation. E cell will be equal to E naught cell minus, so this data is given to you, R, F, the temperature conditions are given to you. So we know that when the temperature is 298 Kelvin, when the Faraday's constant is 96500 Coulomb per mole, and when your gas constant is 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole, you can directly use 0.059 when you solve this RT by F. And the N factor remains as it is. So here I am just writing directly 0.059, which I am going to just do a little, because we are chemists, right? We'll do a little approximation. We'll make it 0.059 instead of this 0.06. I hope no objection, my lord. By N factor, log of whatever is on the, and there's 2.303. So you get 0.059 only when you take log to the base 10. So that means 2.303 outside. So anything which is on the right hand side, which is x2 plus, so concentration of x2 plus divided by concentration of y2 plus. Everything is given to us. Concentration of x2 plus, how much is given to us? 10 to the power minus 3. Concentration of y2 plus, 10 to the power minus 1. So once you solve, what do you get on the top? 10 to the power minus 2. So basically E cell will come out to be E naught cell minus 0.06. Since 2 electrons are being exchanged, 2 electrons are lost by your x and accepted by y2 plus. So the exchange of electrons is 2. So divided by 2, and here log 10 to the power minus 2. So super. Can we simply write it like this? Log 10 is 1, log base 10, and you have log 10 basically, right, with the base 10. That is equal to 1. So minus will become plus. So basically your E cell value will be E naught cell minus plus 0.06 to 2 tata bye bye. So this I am writing as 2 log 10. So log 10 is equal to 1. So 2 and 2 tata bye bye. So 0.06 we are left with. Super. So this much is sorted. We are done with the concentrations. Now who is the decider, the game changer? Your combinations, your couple. Not your couple, the couples which are present here, like cadmium nickel, cadmium iron, nickel and lead, nickel and iron. So for all 4 of them, we would have to put in the values, find out the E naught. The E naught values are given to us. So all that we have to do, and all of them are reduction potential. Please check, my lord. CD2 plus to CD, Fe2 plus to Fe, Ni2 plus to Ni, Pb2 plus to Pb. All of these are reduction potentials. So we can simply make use of E naught cathode minus E naught anode, where E naught values are reduction potential. Right? So now respectively, so the correct combinations of X and Y respectively are. So basically the first one has to be X and the second one has to be Y. The first one is basically anode and the second one is basically cathode. Indirectly, you know what is anode and what is cathode. So take the reduction potential of the second one, that is, let's say if we are starting with the nickel. So E cell will be equal to E naught nickel 2 plus to nickel, that means minus 0.24. Minus will be plus, because the couple that now you need is cadmium. For cadmium, minus plus 0.40 plus 0.06. So you can see that you will end up getting a positive value, and that's what we are interested in. We are not interested in exact answer any which ways. So you get here plus 16, so plus 0.16 plus 0.06. So I'm not interested in the exact value. I'm just interested in the sign in order to do it fast. But you can of course do it. Hana? Okay. So this of course is possible. This combination, A combination is possible. So A has to be the answer. Let's move on to the B. So again, E cell will be equal to E naught cell. Cathode, iron minus 0.44, minus plus cadmium plus 0.40. Now you might feel that your E naught value is coming out to be negative, but do not forget we have 0.06 on the right hand side. So it's better that you keep solving it here. See, a plus and a plus will always be positive. So basically I should have got 12, 22, so 0.22 plus in option A. But in option B, we have a negative part here, that is 0.04 in a negative and plus 0.06. So overall it will be 0.02. Overall it is positive. So even B should be the answer because it is coming out to be spontaneous. E cell is coming out to be positive. That means your reaction, the couple is suitable, it is spontaneous. Third one, again, E cell, and that's the only problem that you guys can figure out. You might just fall in the trap of the examiner here. The moment you see E naught cell negative, you might think the cell might not work, but no, that's exactly the point. Is sometimes the concentrations can help make a particular cell where the E naughts are not for the reaction to work, but the concentrations can make it work. There are certain forces in life where you might feel that, okay, things are not working out, but something happens and things start working out. These are the concentrations that play a role, isn't it? Life and chemistry are so alike. Okay, C option, E cell will be equal to E naught cell plus 0.06. Let's do it once again. E naught cell for lead is given to us as minus 0.13. And then minus plus. Nickel, it is plus 0.24. Clearly, the value will be positive. This value is going to be positive. Exactly 0.11 plus 0.06. So you get 0.17. Correct? So again, C is also going to be your answer. D. So again, we do the same funda here. E naught cell minus was plus 0.06. So E naught cell for iron given to us is minus 0.44. Minus plus for nickel 0.24. So this value is clearly negative and quite negative, that it cannot supersede 0.06. So you're getting minus 0.20. Correct? Minus 0.20 plus 0.06 will clearly be a negative value. So it will clearly be a minus 0.14. So it will be non-spontaneous. So D is not a couple that we can use. So the correct answer to this question should be A, B and C.